Because all you need for that is ascension, is structure, good structure.
You need to be able to sit comfortably.
Right.
And that's what fascia allows us to do. You can sit comfortably, let go of the muscles, and sit for hours, days even. But that takes training, right? It takes someone who's only been meditating for 6 months and ask them to meditate for 4 hours. They're going to be in agony. And often there's, places do this. You go on a Vipassana retreat, and it's like, okay, 10 hours of meditation. It's like for someone who's been meditating for 12 months, and they have a pretty miserable time. But you get someone who's been meditating for 12 months, you get them to train the fascia, to understand how to use the fascia in meditation, and they'll reach that ability very, very quickly. That's the importance of it. That's the importance of it. So there's loads of exercises to do on the fascia. It's a really nice thing to develop, really important. And I think I've never in my life, I've been on many meditation retreats. I meditated with loads of different people, talk meditation with all my friends, and nobody's ever brought up fascia in meditation until I came into this framework. And now, because I've done the Kung Fu and Tai Chi, my fascia is fairly well developed. So I've come into this with an okay developed fascia and linked it into sitting, like boom. Straight away, I tripled my longest meditation sits. If I'm going to sit for like a longer time, I tripled it. Almost, like a week of like, oh, it's this. I link, okay, because I've got the development, so I link it into my meditation practice, and just that gave me the ability to sit for 3 times longer than I could previously.
So let's say, just on meditation, somebody just wants to meditate.
Yeah.
And says, what would be the set of exercises that are required to maintain an upright posture, a relaxed upright posture, with no support on the back?
So
how does one train for that?
So I've mentioned many of the exercises already.
Right. Which
one of those is fun?
Find that.
Yeah, that's the key.
None of them.
Really?
Like, for instance, what happens to a lot of us is the strain starts to happen on the shoulders.
Okay.
Or the strain for some people would happen on the lower back.
What type of strain are you talking about specifically?
By sitting for a while.
Yeah.
For instance, the shoulder blades,
the
scapular area, for me.
Okay, but where is that pain? You need clarity on the pain. Is it the actual scapula? Is it muscle? Is it ligament? Is it fascia?
Muscle.
Okay.
Muscle. Yes.
Muscle. So,
muscle. Yeah, you're right.
Convert muscle to fascia. How do you do that?
Relax.
Almost. Relax is a good answer. Release the tension into the fascia, radiate from the fascia, open space.
Release the muscular tension into the fascia.
Radiate the fascia in that area.
That area. And open that space.
And open the space. Open the space, radiate is the same, right? That's the mechanism. Okay, so the key is feel the tension, release the tension, open space, and radiate from the fascia. That's the key. If you do that, you'll get it. Yeah, there's a mechanism for it. This is the thing that gets missed.
Right.
We don't talk about fascia often enough in meditation, and B, when they do talk about it, they don't talk about the mechanism of how to train it. So you can train it in your meditation. You feel that tension, you start releasing and relaxing the muscle, and open space and radiate. And you build a critical mass of that. There'll be a point where the soreness in the muscle takes over, and you can't go further.
Right.
That then becomes your meditation object. So now your meditation has changed. It's changed from ascension to I need to sort the vessel out in order to improve my next sit. So then my meditation object now is, okay, let's start converting this muscular tension into fascia. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, there gets to a point where you get a realization of either I've got something in that muscle that I need to work on. Maybe I need to go and get a massage. Or I get a tennis ball and start rolling around on the floor with it, right? So like self-massage technique. Maybe there's some astral energy in there trapped, some emotion in there that needs to be released on. So get clarity on what it is, work on it, come back to the meditation, it will improve. Just going, meditation hurts, meditation is miserable, I'm not getting this is awful, how am I supposed to get this? Everyone says, oh, you just have to keep doing it for years. It's a very, very, very slow way of getting there. You will get there because the body will work it out for you. But if you can consciously do it, you'll get there at hyperspeed. Train your fascia for 1 month, 3 times a week, doing specific fascia exercises and integrating it into your meditation, and see the results.